Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today, I'd like to start off with the Euro USD. We have it here. You remember what we said yesterday? We were actually looking for a sell. We saw the price continued for the better part of this week. We've seen price extend itself to the lower sell. We had a very good support here. We had a support here. We had a support here. The price went and closed below it. So as we're speaking right now, you can see that the price is very much below the same place. We are still below some good levels. We had a very good level here. We have a very good level there. And then you have another level here. So these are some of the few places we want to sell from. If you remember what I mentioned some few weeks ago, I said that anytime that we have a downtrend like the one we had from this point here to this point, and then you have one green color between several red candles. If the price moves back up, then it's likely to go only up to that point where there's that red green candle or this one here. That means that if the price is currently heading to the upper side, we'll either sell it there or we'll sell it when the price reaches around this area here, or we wait and sell when the price gets to this point here. The next symbol is the GBPUSD. So with the GBPUSD, the first thing we are seeing is that we do have a bearish pinback candle. This one here, the previous day's candle here is actually a bearish pinback candle. So what it indicates is that the price may likely extend itself to the lower side. So we may see some pullback. We don't expect price to close above the previous day's highest high. So even though there is an uptrend, there is a downtrend, we still do expect some pullback, at least up to somewhere around this point here, around this level here. Or the price may pull back at this point before it can continue to the lower side. The next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with this, we were in an uptrend. We did expect price to continue upwards. So as you can see, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. There's a break above. So as long as the price is held above these two lines, we do expect a continuation to the upper side. So as long as the price remains above this point, expect a move to the upper side. We actually expect a break beyond this high here so that we can continue to the upper side. Our next symbol is the Brent oil. So with the Brent oil, we were looking for the possibility that the price may continue to the upper side, at least up to this level here. Yeah. Unfortunately, that has not happened just yet. The price is still somehow heading to the lower side. So I'm not going to add much on it. I'm not going to add much on this chart, except that if the price can break below this level properly with a red big candle, then that will mean we are now continuing to the lower side. Next symbol we have, we look at gold. We look at the weekly chart. With gold, we are still within the forecast which we had previously. We were actually looking for a sell from around this trend line here. If you can look properly, the price is bearish just as we wanted it. So we still do look for more sell positions. We're expecting sellers to continue pushing price to the lower side, at least up to this point here. So if you're on this chart right now, you should keep looking for sell orders up to this point here. The next symbol is the SP500. With this is bullish, but you may likely to see some sell temporarily. I'll draw my levels first of all. We have this. So this is a very significant resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. And then we have a support here. as long as the price is held below these two lines, we do expect a continuation to the losses. So while the price is below these two levels, we are looking for the possibility that the price may continue to the lower side. So we don't expect that sell, of course, to continue down below this point here. So as it is now, you may sell it if the current 1 hour candle closes below this zone, you may sell it. But if it comes back and closes within these two lines, then expect a possible buy at least up to this point here. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.